Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I want to share a really miniature haul with you. And one is by the Abnormal Company, which is The Ordinary skincare products. And also made in LA, and it's not Louisiana, it is Los Angeles. And this is Colourpop. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers and guests, and if this is your first time here, welcome. This is where we have a lot of fun. We do unboxings, we do makeup tutorials, get ready with me, skincare, and also introducing new products. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please do consider subscribing. And before you leave, please hit that like button. Thank you so much. So before I get into it, you guys know, those of you who watch me regularly, you guys know how much I love The Ordinary, right? The product, my skincare product. So I did order a couple of things here, and I want to share with you what they are. And I just got these boxes today. And so, yeah, and sometimes I ordered things that you may not know that I use, especially when the season's changing or things like that. I gotta watch what I'm cutting here because I don't want to cut my fingers off. Sorry about that. And so I just want to, take a, give you an idea of what I'm ordering, what I'm loving and what I'm running out of. And I just recently did the video with my faves and not so favorites, fails. And so I want to go ahead and share with you my new order. And so actually when they ship it, they come like this. I mean, no big deal, just brown paper bag. And I like this company for that because, they really are conscious, earth conscious and things like that. And they just wrap it in a brown paper bag. I'm just going to get rid of the brown paper bag. And here are my Ordinary products. And I really love their products. So first thing out of the box is my Natural Moisturizing Factor with hyaluronic acid, and I have shown you this before, and this is what I have going right now, but I go through this about every other month. It takes about 60 days for me to go through it. I do use it daily. This is my moisturizer that I put on to hold in all of my products, my peptides and everything, and my moisture barrier for after I wash my face and put on all of my serums. So that's that. And then the next one here, I don't think you've seen this before because they've been out of it for a while and I've gotten it back. And this is the vitamin C suspension. It's 23% with hyaluronic acid spheres, which is 2% of that. This is really, really good vitamin C. It is a little bit strong though, but if you're looking for something to really, really brighten and lighten your skin, this is it. But like I said, you need to test all of this stuff. They come small like this because you only need a teeny tiny bit. Okay, and I don't actually put this all over my face, but only in locations that I need to brighten my face, and which is usually going to be my cheeks here, around this area, because I do have a little bit of darkness here, and a little here, and on my chin. So I don't put this, I don't put this on my nose or here because it could burn. Okay, but please do a patch test, and if you haven't seen my video on how to do a patch test, I can link it below. But like I said, this is the best vitamin C I have ever used, and it is in a suspension. And then it's 23%. But like I said, I really like it because they also come in, you notice, you can't see through this. It's opaque. And how they package this, the air doesn't get into it. And so what I usually do with these is as I squeeze it out, I hold pressure on it and then I close the cap. So that way you'll notice my tubes like this will become flatter and flatter and flatter because I'm not letting the air back in. Because air is an enemy. Air and light is an enemy for vitamin C. So just a little hint there. Okay, that's the second product. And my third product is niacinamide, 10% with the zinc 2%. As you guys know, I use this. This is my regularly. I have to buy this every other month. Almost, I would say every 6 weeks because I run out of it. I do use it both morning and at night. And it's a bottle like this. And this is the bigger one. You can't get the smaller one, but I go through the big bottle every 6 weeks. So I do love it. And I'm still using it, so to give you that. And the last thing here is my, buffet, which is peptides. These are multiple peptides, and they call it buffet because there's few peptides in there. And it also has, this one has copper, right? Yep, copper peptide 2%. And I was out of, I was out of it. I am out of it. I'm using the regular clear one and not this one because they were out of it and I couldn't get it. And I wanted to make sure that I continued with my peptides even if it doesn't have copper in it. Copper is sensitive to light. This is a reason why this is in a dark the bottle versus the other buffet, which is in a clear bottle. It doesn't have copper in it, so that's okay. So, okay, that's it for my ordinary haul. And let's go to my very small haul from Colourpop. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut this box open. And the thing is, this thing's been missing in action. I know you guys, hear me complaining and my only drama I have in my life is my mail not showing up on time or, getting a bit of vacation than I get. Like this one here, I don't know what happened to it, but I was supposed to get this like a week ago. And then it said that the recipient moved. And so it was sent back to the company. I'm like, wait a minute. I just got another box from the same company because I got the Love Me, Love Me Not collection. And I should have gotten this the same day. I don't know what the heck the post office is doing. Well, it went around to Nevada again and came back to me. So it is what it is. And so they do come in a very beautiful flower box. And you actually can untape all this and flip it inside out and use this box again. And they package it so that way they don't damage this box. You get it? And so, and what is in here? Okay, what I did was I didn't order the whole collection only because I'm trying not to order blushes because I do have plenty of blushes. I don't need any more. And so the collection that I ordered minus the blushes is this new one here called Black. And I think you guys, this is huge right now in social media because it's so beautiful. Okay, and it's, very complimentary to darker skin tones, and, it's beautiful. I saw it, and I'm like, oh my God, I got to have it. And so what it is it comes with the eyeshadow. It comes with 2 other eyeshadows, which is a single, and this is the, what do I keep forgetting? The Super Shock eyeshadows and 2 eyeliners. That's all I picked up. I did not pick up the blush because I have the same type of bright brushes that they actually was in this collection. So here it is. It looks like this. It's bright color, Colourpop. And I hope this is intact because I'm seeing, okay, I want you to see here. It's all like powdered. I'm hoping that I don't use it the first time and it falls apart like that one did. So I'll have to clean this up a little bit. But definitely a beautiful, beautiful color story. And I will go ahead and do this on a Colourpop Friday for you, okay? I just want to show you right now real quick the packaging. And I've been trying to keep my videos short because people are saying your videos are too long. So I'm trying to keep it short for you guys, okay? And the next 2 I have is I love these. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. And again, this is the Super Shock Shadow. And these shades, our main attraction is this one. Okay. And this one here is, let's see, Millennium. This one here. So let's take a look. Okay. And here we go. Oh my, this is going to be so pretty, guys. It's going to be so beautiful. I love Super Shock shadows to begin with. And so these are really beautiful. Oh my God, this one is like to die for. Look at this. Oh, so, yep. Okay, so I will be doing the Colourpop Friday on this. So that way you guys will be able to see it. And it came with 2 of the eyeshadows. And I picked these eyeshadows. Wow. 2 of the eyeliners. Okay, and these are like really pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch these for you real quick. And oh my God, this is so pretty. These look like more like, the colors look more like lip colors, but they're actually eyeliners. And I'm hoping that this gel liner actually works because I don't really care for their eyeliners that's what do you call it, the liquid eyeliners. Didn't work out very good. It went, it didn't hold. So here you go. Can you see it? Yep. There's two colors right there. You know, you see what I mean? But they look like lip liners. You could probably use it for that if you really wanted to. But anyway, yeah, this is exciting because I always look for this color. And when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, I could definitely use it. So that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. It was really, I hope this was quick. I don't know until I download the video and then I realize, oh my God, this was 30 minutes again. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I look forward to showing you this black collection on a Colourpop Friday, okay? And so if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and please hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, I'm going to say goodbye. You guys have a good week, good day, good night, good morning, whenever you're watching this. But always remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.